Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add fire hydrant to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and some tips. From here we just have to go into a channel. And then we have to tap on connect apps. Then after the app is loaded, the site is loaded, we just have to scroll down and find the AI powered productivity section, under which we find fire hydrant. We just tap on that. And it's going to load again. And here we can just tap on add to Slack to add it to our workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.